Hello all the future officers, I welcome you all in this grand video of Study Funda. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about our latest environment notes for CAPF, CDS, SSC, FCAT and other examinations. Okay. So guys, last year we have released the notes for the different parts of your competitive examinations like environment section, polity section, geography, history, science and each and every section. Okay. So we have updated this time these notes very, a lot of improvements were made in these notes. So let's discuss which are the improvements which have we did this time. In the second edition of notes, you will get the latest Ramsar site. As you all are aware about that, in February 2020, 10 more new sites were added in the Ramsar sites. Okay, so we have added the latest map of your Ramsar site. I will show you later in this video. Okay. Then there is a COP13 held recently in February 2020 in the Gandhinagar of your Gujarat state. So this is also very important topic for your exam point of view in CDS to 2020 as well as in CAPF 2020. Okay. Also, we have added all the conventions this time, constitutional provisionals, timeline of events, and international organizations. Let me show you this thing in the PDF. Okay. So first of all, I want to tell you that this PDF is free of cost for all of you who is watching this video, but that is for a very limited period of time. Okay. Today is your 28th February, and these notes will be live on our Android app at 12 p.m. Right. So this offer is valid for today only. In the evening, 11 p.m. we will close this offer. So you can download this from our Android app as well as from the iOS app. Okay, so please have a look on the notes and we will provide the link in the description of the video. So here we added the different days which asked in your CPF exam as well as in CDS and other examinations. In CDS examination, one time they have asked World Wetland Day, means they have given four options like 2 February, 6 February, 10 February, and 22 February. Okay, so this kind of question is asked in previous examination of CDS as well as CAPF. Okay, so what another improvements we have made, let me show you in this particular video. So yeah, we have marked these thing also the important topic for your examination point of view, because biomagnification was a term asked in your CAPF 2017 examinations as well as Bhopal gas leak, which gas was used, which gas was released during the Bhopal gas tragedy. That question was asked in your CAPF 2017. Minamata disease was asked in your CDS examination. Okay, so we have added another point of view regarding your conservation of biodiversity. They have asked one question regarding in situ conservation. They have given the option which of the following is a part of in situ conservation. Okay, so you can read this also. So this is the biggest catch in this PDF. We have added all the 37 sites of Ramsar sites. It is updated on 27th February 2020. Okay, and yesterday itself. So the question can be asked: highest number of sites in which state? So UP is the state with the maximum number of Ramsar sites in India, which is your seven. Okay. So these are the basic details about Ramsar sites. So there was a question in CAPF 2016, the Convention on Wetlands. Okay. So they have asked which of the following is the correct, one second, answer regarding the Ramsar Convention. They have given the four options. It is a convention on wetlands, hazardous waste, and this type of question was asked in 2016. Okay. So then there are another organizations. We have added a timeline from 1979 to 2015. Okay. So another thing is we have added another conventions like Basel Convention was asked in CDS 1 2020. Every year they are asking one question from these conventions. In CAPF 2019, Montreal Protocol was asked. Okay, Stockholm Convention is also important. Nagoya Protocol, Minamata Convention, Rotterdam Convention. These are very important. And another thing which we have added is Government of India initiative. So these are the initiative. You can easily, mention these initiative of Government of India in your essay. You will They will fetch you more marks. Okay, so we have also added ready-made points for the environmental essays like what is the value of trees and all, forests. So environmental values and as well as the commercial values, right? उसके बाद गवर्नमेंट के जितने भी जो है पर्सपेक्टिव है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल प्रोविजनल्स है रिगार्डिंग योर एनवायरनमेंट, we have added this also. Article 48A, which says that the state shall endeavor to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forest and wildlife of the country. You can use these lines like Article 48A or Article 51A G in the environmental essays like pollution and all these things. Okay. So we have also added the Conference of Parties. India hosted 13th COP on the conservation of migratory species of wild animals, which held in Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Okay, so this is also important. So these are the updates in this particular update of your environmental notes. So you can download this. You can download the Android app of Study Funda and you can purchase this. The cost is very simple. It is free of cost for all of you. Just you have to pay rupees one because we can't keep the price below 1 rupee. Okay, so link is given in the description. Let me show you another courses you can follow on Study Funda. These are the environment notes. On at 12 p.m. this course will be live. Here you can download the CAPF AC 2020 free study material, rupees one cost, as well as you can download the previous year question subject wise 2009 to 2019 English medium only, in which we have provided the question subject wise question from 2009 to 2019. Okay, 11-year questions are given in the subject wise format, and along with we have also given the answer keys of each year. Each year means answer key of 2018, 17, 16 like this. Okay, and you can also join the tests of study funda for paper one. Okay, these courses are live on our app. You can go and check out these courses. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.